Hello, and welcome to your third vocabulary lesson in this series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook, and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Alien. Instead. Grade. View. An alien is a creature from another world. Alien. Instead means in place of. Instead. A grade is a score given to someone's work. Grade. To view is to look at something. View. He wants to eat the burger of the apple. Instead of. The boy got a failing on his test. A failing grade on his test. Terrible. The came from another planet. The alien came from another planet. She likes to her reflection in the mirror. She likes to view her reflection in the mirror. Here are your next 4 words. Among. Library. Friendly. Universe. If you are among things, they are around you. Among. A library is a place that has lots of books. Library. Friendly is behaving in a kind way towards someone. Friendly. The universe is the known parts of space. Universe. There were lots of books and students in the in the library. The officer was and greeted the people. The officer was friendly. He's very friendly. There are more stars in the than we can count. Universe. There are more stars in the universe. The black pig is the pink pigs. The black pig is among the pink pigs. Here are your next 4 words. Chart. Planet. Fail. Suppose. A chart is a list of information. Chart. A planet is a very large round object in space. Planet. To fail means you do not succeed at something. Fail. To suppose is to guess. Suppose. There are so many strange in space. Strange planets. He at making a successful business and was sad. He failed. That we shouldn't bring an umbrella because it might rain today. I suppose. Everyone that looked at the saw that business was good. Everyone that looked at the chart. Yeah. Here are your next 4 words. Cloud. Report. Ever. Suddenly. A cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. Cloud. A report is something people write about information. Report. Ever means at any time. Ever. If something happens suddenly, it happens unexpectedly. Suddenly. We underlined something. Oops. The man was walking and slipped on water. Suddenly. Yeah, he suddenly slipped on water. When have you gone on a nice vacation? Ever. When have you ever? Yeah. Time. It was important that she give a good to her bosses. Report. She has to give a good report. There is one in the sky. There is one cloud in the sky. Here are 4 new words. Comprehend. Several. Describe. Solve. To comprehend something is to understand it. Comprehend. Several is more than 2, but not a lot. Several. To describe is to tell what something is like. Describe. To solve something is to find the answer to it. Solve. The message is so confusing that I can't it. I can't comprehend it. It's confusing. We have to buy books for the new school year. We have to buy several books. Oh, so expensive. The detective had to many facts for his case. Describe many facts for his case. You need to be smart to a cube puzzle. You have to be smart to solve one. Those are confusing and difficult. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you a minute. Let's check. Everything that exists in space. Universe. Not an exact amount, but less than many. Several. A creature from a different world. Alien. In place of. Instead. To guess. Suppose. Choose the word that is a best fit for each sentence. Pause the video and answer each question. Then write them in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. Let's check. Several days ago, I lost my backpack. The girls in my class like to view pictures of pop stars. Do you like to solve hard math problems? If I do not know the answers, I will fail the test. I think the most interesting planet is Saturn. I wonder how the universe began. This chart tells what time the TV shows will play. I saw a movie about aliens from another planet. What would be the most awesome gift you've ever received? Describe your home to me. Great job today, and I will see you for our next lesson. Goodbye.